Hey guys, good morning. I've not posted in like 2 weeks. Well, it's been freaking cold. Actually, last week we got about 3-4 inches of snow, which for here in North Carolina, that's a lot. Sorry. So we got quite a bit of snow last week. Actually, the weekend before that, we got snow. Yeah, it's been cold. But I need some extra money. I want some extra money. So I need to come back here to the junkyard where there's a sign over here. And got a couple cars to look at today. And I'm going to come back to those 280ZXs. Yes, by the way, I am changing the parking lot. In case you're wondering why I'm moving so awkwardly and obviously off balance. Anyway, got a couple cars to look at. Hoping to find some good stuff today that we can put on eBay, put on some forums, make a few bucks. Thanks for joining in, guys. All right, so as I said, it snowed recently. There's still snow on the ground here in the yard. It's chilly today, not too bad, thankfully, and it stopped raining. It's been raining, it was raining all night. It stopped about an hour ago, so yeah, here we are. There's a few cars I want to check out. I mentioned the 280ZXs. I took some advice from some folks that commented, started digging around a little bit on some items that I think will be easy to take off since I've never done this before. So I love these old vans that have like the captain's chairs, the little table. That's just awesome. Brings back a lot of memories from when I was a kid. My grandparents had one. Yeah, so anyway. All right, so the old Dotsons, I want to check those out. And there's a couple Toyotas. You know, I like Toyotas. So right now I'm walking over. There's a RAV4 that just came in about 10 days ago. We'll see what it's like. It's supposed to be a gold one. I think I see it. Check it for the steering wheel. There's a couple Corollas, a Celica. I think that's it. Yeah, let's see what we find. All right, so as I said, yeah, here was that first RAV4, and it does have, it's got the right steering wheel, but it is a rubber one. Yes, I pulled these and made money off of them in the past, but because of my day-to-day, I'm kind of busy. I'm going to pass on it. And we'll just hope that it's here later. I actually want the little inky center caps. Maybe a different day when they're having a sale and I have more time. All right, on to some of the Toyotas. All right, so here's one of the Celicas I'm going to look at. 1983 maybe, and then there's another Celica over there. So I just got here. Oh, I'm slipping. One thing I just grabbed right quick is this little cruise control switch. These old Toyota switches are they're valuable. I mean, you can get $20-$30 out of them. I've sold some for $20-$30 before, so it's one of those things where if you are able to find some old Toyota stuff, they work on a lot of different Toyotas from the time. The Land Cruiser, for example, is one that I've gotten things for. So that's something where if you find them, grab them. It's worth some money. All right, Toyota Corolla S, early 2000s. The thing about these is the steering wheel. The S models have a red stitch steering wheel, and this one has it, except it's totally trashed. I mean, like right here, the leather is gone. It's totally trashed. But these are the ones when you find them in decent condition, $100, easily $100 all day long. So Corolla S is not this. This is garbage. But yeah, I keep striking out, man. Oh, and I checked out this a second ago. Oh, this is a Celica and rubber steering wheel. It's the same style steering wheel as the similar generation MR2, the early 90s MR2, but rubber, and I just don't see, it's like foam. I just don't see it being worth much money, so I'm going to move on from that and keep on trucking. All right, so here I am at one of the old Dotson 280s, and you can see there's a missing vent. I took it. I'm not very good at this whole YouTube thing, so I didn't show you me taking that, but it was 5 8mm bolts. One at the front, then it's like 2 and 2. Pretty simple. They are rusty as heck. Impact had no issues, but then like the nuts were getting stuck inside of my socket. Super rusty, but I'm seeing these sets online for almost $200 plus shipping. I'm not sure what they're going to charge me today, but I'm going to pull this one out as well and get both of these, and hopefully it's 30, 40 bucks. We're going to see. If I can get it for 30 or 40 and then ask 100 plus shipping, I'd be happy with that. If I could make $60 profit for about 5 minutes of work, I'm happy with that. Everything so far today has kind of been a bust, so this is my last ditch effort to get something to make some money today at least. Again, I might come back to that RAV4 later, but for today, hopefully these are a decent price and I can make some money off of them. So anyway, let's take off this vent and move on. All right, looking underneath, I got 2 bolts up top and 2 right there. So inside those holes are 3 of them, and there's the other one. So I'm gonna pop those off right quick. Shouldn't be much at all, and have that. So I made a comment a second ago, like, I'm not sure how much this is going to cost me. I hope that it's only, $15, $20 a piece. If I could get like $30. So I'm trying to get the snow in the picture. That'd be cool. And I thought, let me just call them before I get more, because there's another car that has both vents. They're different style, but they have both the vents. Let me just give them a call. So I called, and they were completely confused on what it was I'm trying to buy. And I'm like, it's just a vent in the hood. I don't know what else to say. And so I can hear them talking. And I said, look, how about we just call it $5 and we call it a day, call it a deal. And she paused and goes, I can do 7, but no warranty. And I said, how about 6? And she said, 7. $7. So, I'm gonna get 2 more, maybe another one, because there's this other Dotson. You can see the long, like, turbo scoop, we'll call it, has been taken out, but the other one's still there. Oh, my hand's in the way. But that one's still there. I might get that one, but these 2 here on this Dotson, that was sharp. That just cut me. Son of a gun. These are a little bit different style. I'm not sure if they are less valuable, more valuable, equally, but for $14 for the pair, and I already know how to get them out, I think it's worth popping those out. You guys were bored enough watching me take out the last one. I'm not sure there's any reason to show you this, so how about we just catch up in a few minutes. All right, so I pulled one nut off and went to the second nut, and the whole dang thing just slid off the hood. And it looks like this old plastic has broken. I think that one's like okay, this little slot here, but that looks broke, as does this. Just looks very uneven. I don't know enough about these things. It's a cool part, but I mean, broke is broke. I'm gonna mess with the other side and just see how it comes out. But yeah, it looks like these have this little, I don't know if you can see that, this little rectangular piece, I guess, goes into that bit. And my guess is that my impact just broke the old stuff. So I'm gonna try it on the next one and hope for the best, but I'm kind of nervous too. I hate messing up parts. That's never my goal. I never want to break something at the junkyard. Also, these were 10mm, not 8. Yeah, that same thing just happened a minute ago. Yeah, I hate that. Yeah, that sucks. I hate breaking things. I never want to damage anything at the junkyard. And you shouldn't either. Yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna walk around just a little bit on the way back, but it looks like today 2 items all we're gonna get, and the switch, and the switch. But yeah. All right, back in the car. It's time to go. It's time to go ice skating today. That's why I was in such a rush. I am meeting my family. I'm going ice skating. And I'm not skated since I quit playing hockey almost 2 years ago. And I missed the hell out of hockey. And so I'm excited to just to skate for a while would be cool. But once this NBA is over, I'll play hockey again. Anyway, so 2 vents and 1 switch. Came out to be like 16 and some change. Let's call it $17. Not much. If I can sell the vents for $100, I'm happy. So yeah, so I'm going to take some time probably tomorrow because of my busy day, clean up the vents, take the pictures, put them online. Again, if everybody else is asking $180 to $200, just go way less than that. It cost me $14. I don't have to have all the money. Just want a little bit. Just want some extra, like, fun money, some car part money. And that's what all this goes to. It goes to car parts or maybe a band t-shirt, something like that. But I don't have to get $200 for something that cost me $14. If I get $100, I'm happy. And so that's some advice I would give to anybody that's looking to flip parts. If you get something cheap, you don't have to get, the full normal price for it. Just get something reasonable. And then you get it gone quickly. You outsell, you sell faster than your other competitors. I hate using that term, but So yeah, undercut because you can. Make some money, have some fun. That's what this is all about, guys. If you're not having fun, it's not worth it. Make a few bucks. Yeah, guys, stay positive, stay rad. Thanks for joining me for all these silly videos, and hopefully I can get to the junkyard more soon. And I got some stuff to work on in the garage with the Land Cruiser, with the MR2. I got some work to do. I'll keep you guys updated. Take care.